So let's go also to give this dimension. So basically, drawing must have a dimension. So initially, you'll be providing an annotate on this one. So using your annotate, so I can go to my general dimensions here. So I can label this one the dimensions and length of this one. So again, so this is simply the same also dimensioning that we have done in the solid modeling. This is a simple demonstration of this one. So giving that one, then clicking OK, and the same also, okay, giving that distance. And here we can also, you can also add the precision and tolerance, okay, if is required or needed. So for now, we just only give the simple dimensions of our part file to represent as our drawing. Then also giving this one a dimension. Okay, so giving another dimension for my radius here. Okay, giving it again. So radius, we have created the radius, which is your 8 mm. No. Now also we can provide also to determine, to show also what will be the thickness of this crankcase. So I can also make a dimension of that one, so by picking it here and this one. So this serve us that the thickness of our plate is 3 mm, and we can also specify here so what will be the obstinate plate in here that we use, so which is 23.3 mm, 23 mm. Okay, for the units of that one. So we can also rearrange our tag of our sectional view. So I can drag this one. So as I hover my mouse on this side view and scale, so I can move this one, and I can drag also this one towards near my surface, and dragging this one also, hovering that one and drag. Okay, so we can rearrange our drafting so that it will be have a beautiful appealing view, which is provide us a clear view of our drafting view. Try to adjust this one for my front view, and for this one, the sectional letter, we have your A, we can do that one, adjusting that one. So it depends on the availability, and also for a nice presentation of our. So giving this one a dimension, giving this one a dimension again. So giving this one a dimension. Okay. So I'll be giving other dimensions, so you should also replicate this one in your activity. Okay. So try to replicate that one. So I'm using my escape here, so to adjust that one, to cancel the command. Okay. So I also giving the dimensions for this one, so to represent this one, the distance of this one. Okay, and also representing giving the dimension for this one. Click OK on that one. Also giving the dimensions also for my radius here, so we have your radius, which is your 10 mm. So giving that one radius of 10 mm to represent the location of our bolt. And also we can represent the dimension here on our 3D, so I can click my dimensions, and you will notice here a dotted line pointed on my corner, or let's say the vertex of that one, and I'm gonna click that one here also. So we have created your distance from that one. Okay, so we have the dimensions, which is 296.41. I'm gonna click OK on that one, so it's the same here. Okay, so it's nice. And also we can also give this a dimension, so we have the thickness of this plate, our base plate for our base. of our crankcase, which is 25 mm. Then referring also on this side, so we can see that it is also 25 mm, and I will try if this one also be giving a lap overlapping on my dimension, so you can also escape and when hover on the dimension, and you can drag this one, so you can adjust the dimension for this one. So just hover on the dimension text, and you can also move the location of the dimensions. So let's try to explore our model browser here. So we have your part file here, so we'll notice on my model browser, so as I expand this one, all my part features that I have done, so it is also show here in my model browser. Then you can also expand this one to see also for the part views, so what are the